Welcome to Heartland Hot Rods, everybody. We're here today at St. Pius High School. They got a big old car show going on here. It's an annual event. I got my car here, and there's hundreds of other cars, and we're going to do a walk around today. Turn around there behind you, Greg, and let's look at this little bitty truck.
Holy moly.
I see a little blonde-headed boy up in that truck.
Is there?
Yeah. They've got a set of steps on the other side. We'll walk around there and get that. That's an S15 GMC, late 90s, maybe early 2000s. But it's a novelty thing, but they love it. Anytime Auto Glass sponsors it, they may be the owners, but they got the set of steps going up to it. So little kids can get in there and have a big time. They got the V8 motor with the headers turned upside down, sticking out the hood. This thing is crazy.
Crazy big.
Not something you would drive to the grocery store, that's for sure.
I wonder if he puts these in those monster truck races.
Oh, I don't know. He could, though. There's a cool old rat rod coming through. We got a black 57 Chevy.
Yeah, look at it. They've got a burger set up on it already. They ran off and left it just the way it was.
Yeah, the steak and shake.
Yeah.
And it's well preserved. Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful car.
Yeah. Let's see that interior, huh?
Yeah, that's a neat one.
Oh, it's definitely unique.
Got an older restoration on it.
It is.
Even got a little model car of it in there. Here's a 66 Mustang.
What is that?
66 Mustang. That's my guess. Let me look and see. Actually,
well, that's clean.
It's a 65 Mustang. Got the little 6-cylinder in it. Probably
what do you think?
200. It could tell there. Sprint 200.
Yeah, it's not a cool little car.
There's an old Jeep, 78, 56 Chevy. A pretty car.
It is.
Pretty car.
Nice.
71 split bumper Mustang, or Camaro Z28.
Z28.
See too many Mustangs, and I've already called a Camaro Mustang. Sorry, guys. You Camaro guys.
It's even early. He's not even drinking yet.
International truck. Those are neat. You never see them anymore.
No.
Check that out. Mid-Missouri Swap Shop, Warrenton, Missouri.
I'll be dang.
They got her slammed.
They do.
Lots of folks here today. Pretty old late 90s Mustang, I would say. It's a pretty day, too. It's a great day to get cars out. Check out the Dune buggy coming in. Little Volkswagen.
You ever have one of those?
Volkswagen powered buggy. I always wanted one, never had one. Then another unique thing, Greg. We got a dragster, the Happy Hooker.
Yeah. Painted by Hooker.
Yeah,
Jim Hooker. There's the name out of the blast out of the past.
Happy Hooker.
Happy Hooker.
56 Chevy.
You think any of these, is he still around?
I don't know. That's a cool original race car, though.
It is.
That's a neat deal. I think that's him standing there. Great looking old 6970 C10 Chevy pickup.
I'm looking for one of those.
I believe that's a 69.
Yeah, with a hood grill.
Yeah, it's 69. It says in the window. Here we got an old car. What is this thing? Chevrolet of some kind. It's a little two-door sedan.
1948, it says.
48 Chevy. Boy, look at that cloth interior. Somebody went to a lot of work creating all that, didn't they?
And they did. Got a nice paint.
I'm moving on up here. Here's an old 3100 Chevy truck. That's a 48.
48. We've had a 49 on the show.
Yeah, we've had a 49. Good looking truck. It's lowered.
Yeah.
That's a great one.
Cool.
Now here at St. Pius, they have this every year, Greg, and they're giving away 2 trophies in each class, and there's probably 30 classes, all the way up to late model stuff, even side-by-sides, motorcycles, things like that. So they try to cover all the bases.
There's one of the patina vehicles that have become so
59
popular.
Ford wagon. They love that. It's all about power with these guys.
It is,
Make sure that motor's right.
What do we got on that, Kurt? What do you think that is?
It's a dual overhead cam, so it's something late model fuel injected. They
dropped another one.
Looks like an old 4.6 maybe or something.
That's nice. A clean. What is that? Bel Air?
4-door 66 Impala.
Impala.
Good looking car.
Good looking motor.
See, you get all kinds of things.
Oh, they got them all here.
That's an old yellow freight truck.
Pius.
Let me see what year that is. I don't know my trucks. 1989. It looks like it could be a 59.
It does. Snub nose.
Now I love these old Ford trucks, 73 to 79.
Yeah, they were real popular.
Oh yeah,
they're a collector among a lot of people.
Style. They did a lot of things with two-tone paint.
Yeah, they did. They were good looking.
Late 78s and all 79s had the square headlights.
Okay.
They made that change like 78 and a half.
So what year is this?
This is probably a 70. This is a 78, so this is a late 78.
Okay.
With a square headlight. They
were a good-looking truck.
They are good-looking trucks. So many four-wheel drives are popular, but I love the two-wheel drive. Got an old Buick here, IROC Z. Newer cars even in the
Yeah, we got a little everything here.
2022. There's a 2009 Mustang. Corvette, 73 probably, 69. Here's a Mach 1.
Oh, that's hard to find today.
They are. Hear them running the pipes over there on one.
71.
I'm saying that's either a 390. Might be.
That's a nice big block.
Yeah. 351.
Wow.
So, you know, somebody might know more about Fords than me that's watching. I think that's the Cleveland motor. Another 56 Chevy.
Nice
I love
56.
these cars.
They are beautiful. They got beautiful lines on them.
Double split chrome there.
Yes.
That white coming all the way to the point off the back.
I don't know, man. I'm just kind of taking.
Neat old early 90s Mustang. What is that, a 91? Check out this Lincoln Continental. 1977.
Oh, man, I'm going to tell you, those boats drove like a dream.
Oh, my God. You could go to sleep. You got to own a couple acres to turn that thing around, though. That moonroof, parlor windows.
Oh, yeah.
Plush interior. Here's a Cougar.
Oh, the Cougars are hard to find now.
68 or 9, I'm saying. 68.
You got a convertible? Drop top?
She's a drop top.
What we got, a 302 or?
I'd say it's a 302. It's 68 could be a 289 very easily.
I think it's the original?
And it very possibly could. I would say it is a 289 probably. Without bothering them and looking at them, they'd look about the same.
Yeah, we got a lot of vehicles to get through here, folks, so we'd be doing a little more stopping and a little more talking. But if we see a real nice one that we think that is worthy of throwing on the show, which we've seen a lot already.
Yeah, about any of them would qualify.
Yes, they would.
Beautiful vet.
We're going to hand out a little bit of a, what do we got here? I love these vets.
So we're in vet country here all of a
We
sudden.
are in vet country. Where are we at here, Kurt?
This is a 64. It might have two tops, probably a 327. Oh, it's a 400 small block, according to his paper there. Now that's a true vet. This, of course, obviously, it's
vet. Of course, newer
Corvette
models.
You got a different class over here. So I think this is that's 05. That's an 02. I think they categorize them C4, C5, C6. That would be a C2, I'm guessing, maybe. I don't know. I don't know a lot about vets.
I don't either.
Another pretty one.
Plenty of them here.
Check out this Bonnie and Clyde ride.
Yeah. I can see myself getting out of a bank in this.
I wonder how fast. Well, with that small block Chevy motor, probably pretty fast.
Probably. This is a 38 year, folks.
38.
Real nice.
Sharp. What do we got stuck in here? A stage? I don't even know what that is. Nissan of some type. Nissan powered anyway.
Yeah. It must be rare. I haven't seen any of it.
Got a little Cobra Mustang. Got the turbo and all that.
I had a little convertible.
I promise you that thing is a runner. Check out this straight axle. 41 Chevy. Let me look. 41.
Looks like they dropped some money in the engine.
41 Chevy. Yeah, look at they got clear valve covers. Show them that, Greg. Clear valve covers. You can watch the oil squirt in that.
You don't see that every day.
I'm not sure I'd want to, but
I don't know if I've ever seen it.
I'm sure there's folks out there that love that kind of stuff. Greg, they got all kinds of vendors here and everything.
Oh, wow.
Hi, Mr. Boyer. We're filming.
Davey.
How we doing, buddy?
Let me
Doing
get a
good.
shot of that.
We're out walking
very
around
first-
doing our Heartland Hot Rods car show
see
cruise.
that.
And we got Sundance over there, a car that we filmed and we love. And we're going to come around and we're going to pick it up here in just about 3 minutes.
You're our
But
first victim, man.
You're our first talking victim. We just been yapping around here. But
How you doing, brother?
Good.
Love you guys, man.
Love
Hey,
you
I like
too,
these
brother.
shirts, man.
is that a Mercury Montego, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, they were like a Torino, right?
A little. Yeah,
Yeah,
kind of
quite-
Mercury's
quite-
version of it.
Kind of Mercury's
Yeah,
version.
based
on that
Firebird to
I think
Camaro
probably
to-
the same chassis, I would guess.
Oh, I would almost guarantee it.
We're going to come around.
They
And,
got, 200 some odd vehicles.
well, I know there's a lot of them here.
Yeah.
A lot of them here. I got my old Bird down there.
Oh, cool.
I'm down there in front of that tall ass S15 truck.
Oh, okay. You can have to
Angie,
take a look at it.
yeah, Angie's down there too, I think.
I just seen her heading that way.
Oh,
Going to the bathroom.
she's vending. That's
Oh,
what
vending.
she's doing.
Dave, we'll catch up with you a little bit.